Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your TikTok is not letting you to upload a profile picture into your TikTok account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In situations like this, you just simply have to open your TikTok application, and after opening the TikTok, just simply go to your profile icon, and from there you will find these three bars into the top right. Click into that three bars, and from there go to settings and privacy. And after going into settings and privacy, there is nothing much that you have to do. You just simply have to scroll down a bit until you see this free up space option into cache and cellular section. Just simply click into this free up space, and after that you can clear cache or downloads from here. Now you just simply have to clear this cache, and after that you can easily upload your profile picture into your TikTok. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.